Is the PuriNose Inhaler a legitimate product, or is it just another scam? Let's investigate. The PuriNose Inhaler claims to provide instant relief from nasal congestion, allergies, and sinus pressure by using natural essential oils to open up airways. Its compact design and promise of drug-free breathing support have attracted attention from those seeking an alternative to traditional remedies. While some users praise its effectiveness, reporting clearer breathing and a soothing sensation, others remain skeptical. Many criticize the lack of scientific evidence supporting its claims and question the longevity of its effects. Additionally, complaints about poor customer service, difficulty obtaining refunds, and overpriced refills have raised concerns. Some users also noted no significant improvement in their symptoms despite consistent use. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.